and we strongly believe that this zone is going to make a difference in the key decision zone, and it depends upon the price action what is going to happen around this 29,720. But the price opened just above that, which indicates that the market is in favor for buying above this 29,720. Now let us go back and see what happened after that. After the price opening, you can notice that the market just gave a bounce back till 28,820. So after the price opening, you can see the market gave a bounce back, and then it bounced back till 29,820, which is a bit a resistance zone. That is why we have marked the resistance zone. It has acted as a resistance in the future. In the past, it has acted as a resistance in the past. So let us see what this 29,820 is going to do, whether the price is going to break this 29,820 or it is providing a resistance. Let us see that. So after taking a resistance, you can see the level of consolidation the market is showing. The market is providing some resistance around 29,820. So that is the reason the market is consolidating here for a long time, and again it came down and tested this low. Now it has entered the major zone of 29,720. So what happened in the earlier session is that after the price opening, the market gave a bounce back till 29,820, and this 29,820 provided a resistance for the gold market, and there was a very long consolidation that happened. Just because a single stick represents 7 minutes, then you can see how long the market has consolidated, and the failure to break 29,820 is now pushing the market to the major decision zone of 29,720, which is a very crucial zone as per our expectation. So if the price is going to stay lower, so it is going to make a clear difference. Let us see what happened after that. So the market initially provided some support, but again the market is trying to consolidate within the major zone of 29,720. You can notice that there is a very long consolidation that is happening in this market, but after that you can notice this. It is a very huge consolidation that happened in and around 29,720. Just that is the reason we expected the market to have to show some clear trend direction from 29,720. So that is the reason we always try to pick a zone which can make a clear decision zone and which can create a difference in trading. It is not that everywhere we will go and trade. So it is picking a particular zone is quite important in trading, particularly and very important in gold market. So since given the volatility in gold and given the margin required, and of course the possible profit which we can make in gold market, so you can see after a very long consolidation and struggle, the market clearly gave a direction. So 29,720, you can see how the market has broken this 29,720. So you can very well notice that there is a clear breakout from this zone, and the market easily broke this 29,820 also, and it went up and closed near 29,850. So the price closing, this happened in the latest session. You can say end of the day, you can see that it has provided us a very clear trend direction, and that pushed the market above, and the price also closed more or less near 29,850. So on comparing the yesterday's price closing, which is around 29,850, and compare it with the price opening, you can see that the price has closed higher than the previous than the yesterday's opening, and also the price closing on the previous day. So this is the price closing for the previous day, 29,760. So the price has closed just above that, and it has created a new high than the previous day high, which all clearly indicates that the price in gold market has steadily moved higher. So what we can expect today is that today also we can expect the gold to move higher. That is what our expectation. So there is no doubt in the trend, because yesterday, and if we compare the price actions, what has happened yesterday and also on the day before yesterday, we can clearly say that the gold is trying to move higher, and today also we can expect the market to show some clear trend direction. And today's price opening, there may not be much difference in the price opening. Gold is likely to open in and around the same zone, that is around 29,840 to 60s. Within this zone we can expect the market to open, that is just near the high what happened. So this is the zone where we are expecting the market to open, and wow, this is based upon the COMEX price. But if you see the USD INR price, it is having a great influence in deciding the price opening. If there is any drop down in opening, then you can expect the market to just open below 29,820. So what we are expecting today is that today we are expecting gold to continue its uptrend, but the same zone which we are going to have as a stop loss zone, 29,720 is going to be the zone which we are going to pick as a stop loss zone. Unless until the market gave again a very clear price direction, we should be very careful with this zone, because anything below this zone can put the market into the downtrend. So be careful and follow this 29,700. Have your eye on this zone 29,720. And today also we are expecting gold to give a clear uptrend. So the target zone is 29,920 and 960 respectively. Let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our video. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.